Hello, my name's Evan Gilman. I am a maintainer of the SPIFE and SPIRE open source software projects. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about how SPIRE can help bridge the gap between Kubernetes and non-Kubernetes workloads, or Kubernetes and other platforms. So inside of a Kubernetes cluster, everything is pretty happy. We have this notion of namespace and service account that we can kind of use. And with the new Kubernetes projected service account tokens, we can use these to authenticate to other services inside the cluster, right? But what happens when you want to authenticate to something that's not inside of a Kubernetes cluster, or even just something inside of another Kubernetes cluster? All of a sudden, you're back at square one. You have to figure out authentication all over again from scratch. And if you run Kubernetes, you've almost certainly seen this problem firsthand. The good news is that this is exactly the problem that SPIRE is designed to solve. SPIRE is a system which has a highly automated platform-agnostic identity issuance feature. And it's an open source project which is hosted by the CNCF Software Foundation. And its goal in life is purely to issue this interoperable identity to any workload, no matter where it's running. Right? And these identities are usually X509 based or JOT based, can then be used to authenticate to remote services. Right? And this gives the notion of this standardized identity. Right? It's an identity that everyone can understand. So now when A wants to talk to B, they both understand how to validate and authenticate each other. Right. Even if A and B are in different public clouds, it still works just the same. There's no more copying keys around, certs, secrets, anything like that, and there's no more hand-rolling authentication systems.